What's going on out there, world? American Storm Chaser Terry Tyler here, and today I'm going to take you on an adventure that is near and dear to my heart. Today we are going to the town of Nettleton, Mississippi, and we are going to show you the Faith Food Pantry in action. So sit back and enjoy the ride. The Faith Food Pantry is a non-profit 501c3 service organization responding to the gospel imperative. Insofar as you did it to one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did it to me. From the Bible, Matthew 25:45. The organization serves the residents of the Nettleton, Shannon, Verona, and Plantersville school districts by providing supplementary food items for those who qualify for the assistance. The food items would typically be thrown away and come from a number of organizations such as Walmart and are made possible by the generous donations of viewers like you. I had to find more about this organization.
Dave, are we out?
Quiet.
Hey, boss, what we doing out here?
Well, we're cardboard here.
Man, what's the most rewarding thing about coming out here to work and volunteer your time?
Helping people.
Man, yeah. It's what the world needs these days, man.
It's all about.
If there's one thing you could say to the world, man, what would you tell them?
Help other people.
Help other people? To help other people. That is something that I haven't seen very much of in this world, and I felt like after covering all the smut and things I do, I had to share this with the world. So I went to learn more. So what drives you to do this volunteering work?
Do good job at doing good Lord's work.
These people right here.
Yeah, all these people good Christian folks.
Oh yeah.
You know. There's been a lot of us that have different kind of addictions and stuff like that. That's what drives me. To make sure that the kids and stuff don't do what I do.
I feel you on that. And if there's one thing you could say to the world that you think would make a better place, what would you tell them?
Go to Neville.
Huh?
Go to Neville.
All righty.
You know where that is?
Where's that? Oh yeah.
Playing.
Hit your knees. Go to Neville. That struck a chord with me because in this secular world I had gone out to try to find other things, and in this case maybe these people were onto something. The humanity of brother helping brother and sister helping sister, regardless of, you know, what one may have done in the past. These people believe in helping their fellows, and it would not be possible. These people are not paid, not one dime. All of this food would be thrown away into the garbage if it wasn't for these people caring.
I would just say that Jesus loves everybody, you know, and that's where this world is going wrong at. We're cutting Christianity and prayer and stuff out of more and more stuff. Jesus loves everybody, and that's the only reason that people do things like this and serve others, you know. That's what Jesus did.
Well, thank you very much, brother. As I began to explore this operation, I began to see that this is really hard work. This is the type of work that you would do in any processing or distribution center. And these people, age, race, creed, color, gender, it didn't matter. These people were interested in serving their fellows. And the way they ran this operation was extremely professional. It was amazing. And it got me to thinking about taking a knee myself. I said, you know, there's a lot of bad rap in the media today about Christians and Christianity, but this is the real deal. You know, these are the people that really do the right thing. We all have our faults and we all slip up. And I feel like the minute that you start stoning yourself is the minute that you're isolating yourself. And it's a good idea to go to one of these churches and try to give it a go. You know, put your heart in it. And by the way, this stuff ain't no cheap food. This is good stuff. Everyone has their own definition of what's good, but I found strawberries, I found vegetables, I found a number of legitimately healthy items that were put in here, and meats, veggies, all that. One thing that really stood out to me was that the elderly and the women, which a lot of people think aren't cut out for this type of work, they went hard. They went super hard. And as a matter of fact, I had to interview one to tell you about this. What can you say to women, to empower women in your generation?
Just to be yourself and be you. You can do anything. Put your mind to it.
Awesome. Great job. Now it was time to go outside and see where the real meat and potatoes of the operation were. Outside are the residents of the Lee County area and Monroe County area, and they're coming to get the food. A lot of these people are in some dire straits, and this food helps them, and it's a good way for people to work together and see each other. I spoke with a gentleman who declined to have his face on camera, but he did share his thoughts on this operation.
And every time they have when I've had open heart surgery, the only reason I'm sitting in here, I'm putting the boxes back together. There's a good bunch of people work here.
I volunteered last event because I've been coming here and getting some food, and I was just so moved by it. And it's one of those things where just the humanity of it. You see, you know, brothers helping brothers, sisters helping sisters. I mean, people from such a diverse group of life, feeding each other. It's something that, to me, you know, everybody likes to talk bad about America and say we're so terrible. And, you know, I've waved that banner before, but this is great.
Well,
this is pretty great. This is awesome, and it only gets better.
This ain't the only one. There's no reason anybody gets hungry in this. Over here on 371, the highway.
Going through the whole operation for me was very rewarding, and it made me reflect. And on reflecting, I couldn't help but notice the green and whites that us inside guys know about. And I have sort of a reverence for the guys inside, because, you know, I've been there, you know, and it's a place to be. And when you get out here, you know, I've been really touched by the RID program that I did, and I wanted to speak to a guy that caught my eye, and I'm hoping to, you know, do some good. All right, if there's one thing you could say, tell the people of America about you.
About me?
Yeah, or just what they can learn from this whole experience.
Just don't come to prison and, hey, and mess your life up.
All right, well, how does it feel to be out here in the free world?
It feels all right, you know, it's all right. But it's best to be at home, though, man.
What about, like, reflecting on the past and stuff? You do a lot of reflecting?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I learned my lesson, though.
You ain't got a lot left, do you?
No, I got 9 months.
Well, we'll see about getting some wicked books and some cool stuff. What kind of books and stuff y'all got in there?
We ain't got no books that read the Bible and stuff.
I'm gonna see what I can do about getting you some books and some cool stuff in there, man.
All right.
Thanks.
Some of the signals that I saw in this facility really illuminated me to the work that I was doing. Being a RID graduate, I saw this man and I have felt a moral obligation to tell people about what the RID program did for me and how I can help guys like this. Man, you know, I mean, it's good to make America great again. And in this particular case, you know, financial aid for felons as a page I created, I looked for the opportunity to maybe draw in some funds.
With that said, I decided to take a look in the office.
Hey man, how's it going?
I'm good. How you doing?
We going in this door real quick.
Inside, the operation was bustling. Clients are issued these cards when they sign up and are registered in the computer system. This pantry works with the United Way, EFSP, and the Mississippi Food Network. However, they need help from viewers like you. Wait until the end of this video and we'll show you how to donate to the Net-Faith Food Pantry. Look at the amount of cars. Up to 700 cars come through here each day. It's a fascinating thing to see these people at work. These people are in charge of registering each client. I had to go back to the operation center to check the brain of the head operation. In this area, we got to see what the people are doing at the top. I spoke with one of the lead supervisors, and this is what she said.
Okay. So what would we tell these people? We are at the Faith Food Pantry in Nettleton, Mississippi, and this is a church-based organization, right?
Community, yes. Church community.
What is the church that sponsors this organization?
It's the community churches, several churches.
Okay.
Churches of the community of Nettleton, Shannon, and Brewer are financially, partially financially, and the volunteers come from these churches.
Okay. And one thing, how did this get started? Where's the source of the food?
The source of the food is the Mid-South Food Bank in Memphis.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we get most of our food, and we do get USDA food out of Jackson.
Okay.
Okay, the USDA food is free. The Mid-South Food Bank is like a storage house.
Mm-hmm.
They collect food and then they deliver it to us for our fee.
Okay.
And that's where most of our funding goes back to other utilities and all.
So how long have you been working with Faith?
Since '99.
What drove you to do this?
Oh, well, in the Sunday school class, we were, it's several in the Sunday school class started this at the Methodist Church.
Mm-hmm.
It's Sunday school lessons talking about we needed to act on what we were studying in Sunday school, helping, others. So we started, we did a survey of how many hungry people were in the area, Started from there, visited other food pantries, saw what we'd have, found out what we'd have to do and where the food would come from, because we knew we couldn't afford to buy the food just at church. So we reached out to the other churches, had a meeting, and the key members of the different churches, and decided to, we got some seed money from each church, decided to start and see how, and it's been going ever since '99.
Awesome.
What I do is count the cards after the people go through and pick up their boxes. As soon as we get through going through, I know exactly how many we've served that day.
And what does this do for you, volunteering your time?
It helps me just pass my time away. As old as I am, I just enjoy doing things for other people.
So for younger women out there that might be interested in volunteering, people that are the newcomers into this generation, what would you advise them to do what you're doing?
Be involved as much as you can. That way you will help people and be blessed with it.
Thank you very much.
All in all, the humanity of the giving of this community has really rekindled my faith and flame in America. I really believe in America as long as I continue to see people like this, because they inspired me to come work for free. And in this small railroad town, these people get up every day, they go to work, they go to Neville, they hang out, and it's a beautiful thing. I felt like I was going to cow out. I said, man, I can't cow down. These guys and girls, they ain't cowing down. And I wanted to carry that cross with them. And I actually believe I'll probably be going back next time. Click on the circular button to subscribe or check out these other videos. And whoa, don't you forget to check out www.NetFaithPantry.com.